Good morning students. Today we will learn about the 2D geometry. In this topic 2D geometry we will learn about triangle, square, rectangle and quadrilateral. So then first of all we will learn about triangle. Triangles. The first question which arises in our mind is that what is triangle? As the name says, tri means three. Angles means angles which have three angles. Means a figure which contains three angles and three sides. Here this figure is known as triangle because it has three angles and three sides. One is A to B, another is B to C, and third one is A to C. Hence AB is a side, BC is a side, and CA is a side. And what about angles? Angles here A angle, B angle and C angle. Means angle A, angle B, angle C. These are the three angles. So it is known as a triangle. Triangle have three types. First one is right angle triangle. Second one is isosceles. And third one is equilateral triangle. First, we will learn about right angle triangle. Here, the right angle triangle is that triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. Means here three angles A, B and C. One of these angles is of 90 degree. Let angle A is equal to 90 degree. Then this type of figure 90 degree is here, so angle A. B and C here. Because it has a right angle, so it is known as right angle triangle. Second one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles means two sides are equal. Second one is isosceles. Means two sides are equal. Here two sides of a triangle are equal. Let's see in the figure. Here let we have a triangle ABC. Here A, B and C. Here AB is equal to AC. So it is a isosceles triangle. Means this side is equal to this side. Then the angle which are opposite to these two lines are also equal. Means angle C is equal to angle B. Here AC is equal to AB, then the angle which are opposite to AB, A to B, this angle, and A to C, this angle are equal. So it is known as isosceles triangles. Means we can say that two sides and two angles are equal. So it is known as isosceles triangle. We have to start equilateral triangle. We will learn about equilateral triangle, the third one triangle. Here, as the name says, equi mean equal, laterals mean length of a triangle, yani equal length. How many lengths are there in triangle? Three lines are there. So all these three lines are equal. Means if we draw a triangle like this, A, B, C, equilateral equal length, means AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. As the three lines are equal, then the angle which are opposite to these lines, means if we take AB line, then the angle which is opposite to it, that is angle C, is equal to this line is equal to this, means AC को ले. If we take AC, then the angle which is B opposite to AC is equal to C, and these two lines are also equal to BC. So the angle which is opposite to it, that is angle A, is also equal to these two angles. Here the property of equilateral triangle is say that all three lines या three lines AB, BC and AC are equal. AC or CA is same, and all three angles are also equal. So this is a equilateral triangle. Now we will discuss about the square. What is square? What is square? Means in study geometry we will learn about what is a square. Square is a figure which contain four lines and four angles which are all equal and equal to 90 degree. What I say? I say if all four lines and all four angles are equal. All four lines and all four angles are equal, but these four angles are equal to 90 degree. Then the figure we obtain is a square. Let's consider a figure like this. Here it is point A, it is point B, it is point C, it is point D. These are called vertex A, vertex B, vertex C and vertex D. Here these angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D, all are equal. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C and it is equal to angle D, and these four angles are equal to 90 degree. Means it is 90 degree, it is also 90 degree, 90 degree and 90 degree. And what about the length? Lengths are also equal. Mean AB is equal to, this is AB, this is BC, it is CD and DA or AD. DA or AD means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. All the four lengths are equal, all four angles are equal and equal to 90 degree. Then the figure we obtain is a square. Means this figure is a square. Now the further topic which we have to discuss about is rectangle. Rectangle means here opposite sides are equal and all angles, angle A, B and C, it has also have four angles and four length, but it is similar to square, but these lengths which are opposite inside are equal and unequal to adjacent side. But I say, let's consider a figure like this. Here we see that AC is equal to BD and AB is equal to CD. Means opposite sides are equal and each angle is equal to 90 degree. Means angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D, and all these angles are equal to 90 degree. Means all angles are equal to 90 degree. Here opposite sides are equal. Means AB is equal to CD and AC is equal to BD. But these are not equal to adjacent side. Mean AB is not equal to CD. These are adjacent side and these are opposite side. Opposite side are these and these pair, and the adjacent side are these pair. This is also, this is also. So this is about rectangle.